Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. We will carry on HTML tags from where we left. Let's start coding. Let's have a look at another one. We use code button tag to create a button. Do you see the difference, guys? When we need to put some tags in our articles, we can use that tags to show our code like this. Let's have a look at another one. Let me delete some codes from up, guys, to make it more clear for you. Let's start another tag. We just type P and my favorite car is, and another tag del brand A, and another tag is brand B, and save it. You see, it is putting a line on the brand A and then putting another line brand B. By the way, I just noticed I forget to put H here. John Doe, sorry about spelling mistake. Let's have a look at another one. ASP, press tag name, key BD, and CMD, and plus another key BD, C, and a text to copy file. You see, CMD plus C is looking different than normal text. Or if you use Windows, you can say Control C. Let's have a look at another one. The other one is PRE tag. Let me type something. For example, let's say Lorem 10. Okay, I'm just saving. Look how it looks like. Very normal, right? So let me press enter here and press enter from here and then press enter from here and press enter from here. Even let's make a little bit like this. It shows exactly how you want to show. Doesn't change anything. We use that tag for these purposes. Let's have a look at another one. Paragraph tag name, and let's say something went wrong, then let's put another tag BR, as you know, and please close the window. Let's save it. You see, it is a little bit different than other normal text. You can use sort of tags to show some errors. Let's have a look at another one. P, and our tag name is var. H is the vertical height, and save it. You see, H is looking a little bit different. We use that tag to define some text as a variable in document. That's all for now for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video, guys.